What is going on with my game?
Todd? Dinner is ready.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Alright, now I have to do my maid stuff.
Do your chores.
Spaghetti. Oh, I guess I gotta go over here.
There wasn't much in the kitchen. I did what I could.
It's like you have no food.
Turn on the light. Okay. Now what?
Stuff.
Life's funny. I lost my job because of androids. And when I need somebody to take care of this goddamn house, what do? I go out and hire a fucking android. What a joke. Of course, androids are so fucking wonderful. They never fail. They're never tired. Never sad. They're so fucking perfect. They ruin my fucking life.
I hate Todd.
What are you looking at? What's your fucking problem?
Oh no, he's gonna start with her again.
Not the life you dreamed of, eh? Maybe you think this is easy. Maybe you think it's my fault we live in this fucking shithole. My fault your fucking mother took off. You should stop taking drugs, Todd.
Bullet!
Sometimes you really scare me, Todd. Fucking bitch took off without a word. Fucking whore walked out on me for a fucking account.
Oh my god. I gotta kill him. I gotta kill him.
It's all your fucking
I wanna kill him. I wanna kill him.
Oh.
He smacked her in the face.
Come back here. Come back here right now.
Todd, you are dead. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Yes!
How about just a chore? Kill
No,
Todd.
it's her fault. Fucking listen. That's what she deserves.
Oh no, oh no, no.
You stay there. Don't you dare fucking move, or I'll bust you worse than last time.
Okay,
No.
you gotta think of what you want to do.
Don't move.
Took off, not a word.
Try to move, try to move. Can you? Can you move?
Yeah, it's put me in this mode right here. Don't
Do
move,
it.
don't move. L1.
Do it, do it, do it. Excellent.
I broke out. I broke out. I broke out.
Work out. You deviated.
Protect Alice. Reason with Todd. I'm gonna protect Alice.
Go, go, go. Okay, do you want me to give you a hint?
If you want to.
Okay, remember what you saw in Todd's room?
I just wasn't good enough for her.
You can go to Alice's room or you can go to other rooms first.
Gun! Gun!
Get it. So you wouldn't be able to do that if you didn't see it earlier.
Come on.
So that like happens right there.
I'm gonna shoot him in the head. I'm gonna shoot him.
Leave her alone.
I'm gonna kill him.
What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking creepy Todd.
Put down the gun and get the fuck out of here. That's an order!
No! I want you to leave her alone.
You want? What do you mean you want? What are you gonna do? You gonna
Right in
shoot
the
me?
eye.
Is that it? Are you gonna shoot a human? You seem to have a problem. I think we need to fix that.
Watch out, Kara!
Come here, bitch.
Please stop! Leave her alone!
You do as I say!
What happened? What did I do? He looks like he's humping me. What is going on? Oh, I shot him!
Got him.
Oh, yeah. Todd. I want to refund.
My aneurysm broke and she shot me.
Get on the bus. Let's get on the bus. Aww.
Good job.
Was that it?
That's it for this one. I think there's a version, like look at how many versions there are.
All right,
I
hold on.
think there's like a version where you don't kill him. You can like reason with him, and then there's one where you can like leave without Alice, I think. There's like so many different ways that can go.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I wanted to kill him though.
I know that I think that's the best. That's the most satisfying way.